It's like 6:30 in the morning and look at that cat right there, sleeping so peacefully. Like damn man, मेरे को अभी भी नींद आ रहा है. But just look at her, like in her world of her own. The scooty is her majestic bed. At least someone is having fun. So as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. Like ये अभी because of the lockdown type situations and so on. So बाल कटने तो time मिला ही नहीं. And right now, even if I wanted to go, I wasn't sure if those saloons would be open or no. So right now I'm hoping that the saloons are open, and because it's evening and I'm not really sure rules change तो हुए हैं. And hopefully yeah man, I really need to go and cut my hair, and then I'll give like. So this is like the before look, and then we'll do an after look if possible. Yeah. And as you can see, there are a lot of dark circles that I'm getting. So yeah, I need a lot of sleep. But further down, I'll try and make a skincare routine, like some shit, like because I have to like really work on this. So whatever products that I'm using, I'll share that with you guys. And I don't know, content यार मैं सिर्फ सोच रहा हूँ क्या content बना सकते हैं. Honestly, seeing this in Mumbai doesn't surprise me at all. ये कुछ नई बात है ही नहीं. छोटा सा स्विमिंग पूल बन गया है हमारे इधर, और वहाँ पे देखो दैट गाइज एंजॉइंग. यार बचपन में मैं भी बहुत मस्ती करता था. वो मेरी साइकिल वहाँ पे ना, हम लोग ने बारिश में पूरा एक दिन पूरा चलाया था, लाइक 2 hours और समथिंग. पूरे बारिश में मैंने वो साइकिल में जूम कर सकता हूँ तो ट्राई करता हूँ. Right there, that's my cycle. You might have seen it in the cycle vlogs and so on. ये साइकिल लेके 2 घंटा बारिश में चलाया है, और फिर घर पे जब आया टेम्परेचर इतना ठंडा हो गया था that when I took bath with cold water, that also felt warm. So I couldn't really record after I went for a shave and a haircut, and this is how I look now. The thing is मेरे को थोड़ा भी time नहीं मिला है to set my hair and everything. And आज मेरा holiday है, so I मुझे मालूम ही नहीं record क्या करना है, because honestly speaking I have been working a lot on Mouths Keep Talking. So for my viewers who follow me for my vlogs, मैंने एक channel खोला है for podcast. So on that channel we'll make content related to psychology, philosophy, और mostly हम लोग अभी aim कर रहे हैं towards movie series and books recommendations, क्योंकि पहले भी हम ये channel पे वो करते थे. So I think a lot of people really like that, and maybe I'll make some things related to songs or something like that, song psychology or so on. और आज दिन की शुरुआत हो रही है बर्गर किंग के साथ. Just for anyone ordering from Burger King and you guys are ordering the Whopper, go for the double Whopper or the normal Whopper. But जो मसाला Whopper रहता है ना, जिसमें वो nachos और वो सब रहता है यार, don't go for that. It's spicy and it has a very weird taste. So I suggest don't go for that. Go for these two. And yeah, you are seeing MSK there. And let me tell you guys a story. So in 2017 I had found Mumbaikar Nikhil, and tabhi he wasn't that famous. He was getting famous, like right now he's like the top motor vlog in India and so on. And that time I started following his content, and eventually I found through him there was this guy called MSK, and he had made a video called My Inspiration Mumbaikar Nikhil, and you can till date that video is there on YouTube. I found this guy MSK, and he was a bit different than Mumbaikar Nikhil. What I really liked is वो बहुत genuine ऐसे उसके vlogs लगते थे मुझे, and the amount of hard work that he used to put on his editing, and that's something that I related with. I never relate with people who are born rich or who are rich specifically, because they get things extremely easier compared to middle class poor people. And so honestly it's really hard for me to give them respect, and that's what it is. So when I found MSK, I realized that there was this normal middle class guy who bought his R1, and R1 is an extremely expensive bike, and at a very young age he bought his own house and so on. And on YouTube it was really fun to see this guy grow, and because of the hard work that this guy put. इतना hard work, because जो relate होता था ना यार. I've been doing YouTube for 5 years, and the editing that I do is the editing compared to what a lot of top YouTubers should be doing, but they don't.
वो लोग टॉप यूट्यूबर्स बन गए एंड नाउ दे नो मोर पुट एनी एफर्ट्स इन देयर वीडियोस एंड दैट्स जस्ट सैड बिकॉज एज अ स्मॉल यूट्यूबर हु डज पुट्स द एफर्ट्स यू नो दैट वेयर यू शुड बी एंड वेयर यू आर नॉट, सो दैट थिंग ऑलवेज यू नो तुम्हें इरिटेट करता है. So now I know I told you guys, let me tell you a story. So that's when I found MSK and so on. So lately I did message him and everything and he honestly मुझे सिर्फ you know I was looking out for a job or a way to you know help MSK. Now during the COVID I know अभी सबसे बड़ा situation क्या हो गया है, as vloggers और content creators especially you know travel vloggers, सबको एक problem आ गया है कि we don't have content to make because of the COVID situation. You can't travel, you can't meet a lot of people, you have to be really cautious, and I understand that's not only for small YouTubers, now that's going to hit a lot of big YouTubers like MSK and Mumbai Ka Nikhil too. So I thought you know I would really like to work with MSK, you know, let it be editing ho, you know, film direction ho and video ideas. So you know for team MSK I could provide a lot, and something that I learned from Casey Neistat is work for free for someone you really admire, and that's how like always think about what you can provide to them. And I did write that you know I would work for free and I would provide whatever skill was asked for. And uski team pe you know he has his friends on his team, and you know there's this guy called Gaurav and that all. So I tried and messaged all of them. I messaged Shafiq, I messaged Gaurav ji, I even messaged MSK. Sadly no reply. I emailed them, I messaged them on Instagram, they even seen my story but they didn't reply. So honestly and after that you know when people don't really reply, and then in a way you obviously it's a rejection, but and for 2-3 days you know I didn't really even feel like watching his vlogs, and not because you know कि मुझे गुस्सा था or anything, it just felt bad कि you know you put you know this efforts and so on, and you really thought that you know it might be a life change for you, but it didn't really happen. So I was more disappointed and dejected you can say. Or but देखने का तो not their mistake, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this as motivation, as inspiration. So every one of you watching there right now, and someday when MSK will also watch it, that this will happen. I will be one of the top YouTubers that India has ever seen, and this is just you know motivation, this is just fuel कि अगर क्या हो गया कि today he didn't you know allow me to work, tomorrow I'll be a bigger YouTuber and make a collaboration video. So I just wanted to say that कि you know like a remembrance, and you guys know कि nothing is ever easy, and मुझे कभी भी कुछ easily वैसे तो मिला नहीं है.
Now this was it for this vlog guys. I know it was extremely short. The thing is I had made plans to meet you know Ashley, Abby or Russell, but it started raining and rains basically screwed up everything, and I shouldn't be surprised because Mumbai, but yeah. So most probably the thing is अभी मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्या vlogs और बनाओ. मुझे video ideas तो है, but I'll see. Like mostly I'm focusing more on mouth keep talking, but I want to focus on the Savage Vibe because lately I realized कि I want to make a vlog channel. Vlog as in what can you really expect, और वो सब मैं एक separate video में बनाऊँगा where we can actually talk कि क्या हो गया था, why did I quit YouTube, or did I really even quit YouTube. And something that I really need to figure out is an intro and an outro, because I realized कि मेरे पास वो है ही नहीं. पहले मेरे पास था जब मेरा पुराना चैनल था The Intelligent Freaks, and I used to be like what's up Friskies. So yeah man, I really need to figure that out. Till then let's see, comment down below if you have any intro and outro ideas, what I can say. And till then like and subscribe to the Savage Vibe. Hopefully videos every week, and please hit that notification bell also, क्योंकि you guys get notifications, and you know most of the times you wouldn't realize अगर मैंने share नहीं किया video, and I will still share, but if you can please just do 3. No, I wanted to say 3 but मैंने 2 कर दिया. कब हो जाता है इसलिए ज़्यादा नहीं बोलने का. Just 3 things: share the videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.